ship, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about.
Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. You gave the word to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and a love that I'm feeling.
What I'm feeling.
You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me how to tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. And you taught me to love, and darling, I will always cherish you today, tomorrow and forever. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, magkasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong dinggin. Wala nang iba kung mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman makikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ba ganyan. Mahirap kausapin at di pa namamansin.
Hindi mo ba alam, ako'y nasasaktan, ngunit di bale na basta't malaman mo na. Mahal kita, hindi to bola. Ngumiti ka man lang, sana ako'y nasa langit na. Mahal kita, hindi to bola. Sumagot ka naman, wag lang ewan. Sumagot ka naman, wag lang ewan. Sumagot ka naman, wag lang ewan. Sumagot ka naman, wag lang ewan.
Kumusta ka? Ikaw ay walang pinag-iba. Ganyan ka rin, tayo ay huling magkita. Tandang-tanda ko pa, habang ako'y papalayo, tinitignan kita hanggang wala ka na. Kumusta ka? May kislap na ang iyong mata. Halata na, daigdig mo ngayon ay kay saya. Siguro ay nagmamahal ka na ng totoo. Sabay katulad ko nung tayong dalawa. O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka mayakap at muli kang mahal. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na, ako ay nautang. Walang masabi kundi kumusta ka. Sa aking mga kaibigan, na ni minsan ay hindi nawala sa aking isipan, pagmamahal, magpakailanman, sa aking puso. Sa iyo, kayo, at sa lahat ng tao. Kumusta ka? Ikaw ay walang pinag-iba. Talaka na daigdig mo ngayon ay kay saya. Siguro ay nagmamahal ka na ng totoo. Sabay katulad ko nung tayong dalawa. O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka mayakap at muli kang mahal. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na, ako ay nautang. Walang masabi kundi kumusta ka? O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka mayakap at muli kang mahal. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na.
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday kay Cesar Abioro, my husband.
Ako nandiyan. Ako nandiyan.
He's 69 years old now. And I wish him happy birthday. And may God grant you more years to come, more years to live with the guidance of God. Wish you all the best. We love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Lolo. Sana makatulong. Bye-bye.
Ay! Happy birthday, Lolo. You're the best grandfather in the world. I love you. Happy birthday! Bye!
Lolo,
Happy birthday, Lola.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
May your day be filled with happiness. Wish you all the
Well,
best.
Wagi ko.
Okay na. Yay!
Birthday, Tat.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Birthday. More birthday to come. And good health. Huwag mo itutok naman.
Sorry, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola Cesar. I love you so much. You're all the best. Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
More birthday. Ulit. Happy birthday, Padre. More birthday to come. And good health. And I thank you.
Lolo, good health and we love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Good health and long life. Naway marami ka pang ma-share na word of God. And sana stay strong kay Linda. And you're always in no matter what happens. Sandigan ko ni Nanay. Kayo yung confidence ko ni Nanay. I love you. Go, go! Birthday, Lolo. Birthday blessing to come. Birthday, Lolo.